In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use music in your YouTube videos without copyright strikes. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up any web browser. Then go to youtube.com. After that, make sure you are signed into any YouTube account, and once you've done that, click right here at your channel's profile picture, and then go to YouTube Studio. On YouTube Studio, we need to search for Creator Music in the left sidebar menu, just over here. Click on it. And that's where we can find a ton of different tracks which we can use in our videos without any copyright issues. To search for a track, we can go to Browse, and then we can apply some filters. Let's say I would like to search for tracks that is longer than 3 minutes. I can apply that filter. Also, we can filter license duration. I recommend you to drag it to the very right position where it says forever. Also, at price, we can drag it to the very left to search for free tracks. Then click at apply again, and in the same way we can apply multiple filters like BPM, vocals, mood and genre. If we click right here, we can check mark multiple options in that way. And that's how we can easily search for track. Once we find one we would like to use in our video, we can, before that, obviously click right here to listen to it. And if we like the track, we can download it to our device by clicking right here at that arrow. Then click at download, and what that will do, that will download that track on your device. That's where you can find it, you can play it, and also you can use this track in your videos without any copyright issues.